Welcome everybody back to the vlog. It's a vlog I'm gonna upload this weekend. Doesn't really make much sense. It's just a bunch of clips that don't really fit anywhere for a few places we've been to in the last couple of weeks. We picked up some high quality Big Macs, and we stopped at this park. We're in Lompoc right now. Let me see. Come on, get some fries. Right there, homie. All right, it's confirmed. Well, hey, this one's coming over here. Hold on, he wants fries too, man. So we got some McDonald's fries. We're gonna be feeding the squirrels. Here, homie. Hey, man, not too close. They're gonna get too close. Hey, little baby squirrels. Over there. Come on, man. Go ahead. We're cool. We're not gonna do you guys any harm. Oh man, now they're fighting for the fries. Right there, go little homie. Go ahead. There you go. You too. You good? Go. Little homie got the fry. What about you guys? There's more right there. Go for it. I call that one fatso with the PH. Alright. Hold on. Where's your phone? Where's your phone, goddammit? Oh, that was the last fry. Now they're all looking at us like, yo, y'all haven't. What about chicken nuggets? If you want to get one from yours. Y'all, I got some chicken nuggets for you guys. They like the fucking nuggets. Hold on. Just give them the rest. Right there. Oh yeah. Oh, the homie Fatso came up real sick. And he ran off with it. I think he's gonna go give it to his hyena. Somewhere there's a sign around here that says don't feed the squirrels. Especially don't feed the squirrels McDonald's. So this is Lompoc. Like I said, this vlog is not gonna make sense. I'm just gonna compile a bunch of places we've been to in the last week or so. Check it out. Well, here we are in San Francisco, man. For this guy's first time here. That guy, we threw him in the back.
30th time.
It's 30th time back there. He smells. We're about to head to the Golden Gate Bridge. And if you're watching this, you just saw the squirrels. And then I'm going to throw in the Lake Tahoe. The Lake Tahoe footage doesn't kind of fit in there, but I'll throw it in here. Now these houses right here, these are super nice, you know? This is where like the rich of the rich live, like the managers of Google. Whoa, look at that, look at that, look at that dip, look at that dip. You guys see how steep that is? Oh my God. It's, if you can see, 10 degrees. This is a 10-degree drop. It's compitas right there. Right here, we're gonna go to the San Francisco Bridge, but coming in from like the east side of San Francisco. Not through like the downtown San Francisco area. Usually we come in through like over there. Don't worry, man, it's always gloomy. It'll be like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's gloomy.
Pacific Northwest, so sad.
So it's closed. Usually we could park right here and chill. Hold on. Think about man's. How the heck? How do we get out of here? Nobody here.
Is that Alcatraz? Or was Alcatraz straight?
There is nobody here. It is too cold to be out here doing. I don't think you can see anything. It's cold. Don't touch those, man. Yeah.
They got coronavirus?
They got coronavirus. Just pretend everything has coronavirus. Tiburon, California. I'm just killing some time out here. Really, really bad weather today. Welcome to California, man. We are back. We're in the Nevada section for about an hour. The man's back there still asleep. Is he? We're about to get to the lake. It's a little early for candy, isn't it? Puma's Bank. We gotta go that way. Check it out, here we are at Kings Beach. Kings Beach. And it's like 41 degrees out here. Homie over there drinking a tall can. No, I think he's drinking coffee. $5. That's an actual beach. It's about 7 in the morning. It's cold. We got snow on the mountain still. Oh my God, it's cold. Hey, somebody left their keys. Right here. Fuck, someone's not gonna be able to get in their house. Yeah. Now we walked over to the pier real quick.
Did you bring about tree fitting?
Check it out, see how far we can go. It's no one out here. It's early anyways, it's about 7 in the morning. And it's really cold. If it's like 40 degrees out here, I wonder how cold that water is. So we got to the end of this dock and there's a bunch of locks. Do we have a lock?
I don't know what.
So we're at Kings Beach. If somebody could tell me down in the comments what these locks mean, let me know. Because Maria left the lock here. And you know Randy loves Lori.
He loves church.
Check out the view. Mira, qué bonito. That's it. This is gonna be like the most fun we're gonna have all day after this. It's just like work, 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 work. Doo-doo-doo. Cue the Rocky music.
Take a picture of me and this asshole.
With or without masks?
Without the mask.
He said without mask.
You need to see your big ass face.
Check it out. We're here at Kings Beach by Lake Tahoe. Just got here. It's about 7 in the morning. Got a whole day ahead of us. 24-hour road trip here. Hey. Hey, what? Oh no! R.I.P. Mr. Krabs. How's the water? Is it cold?
Like, damn, the
Coronavirus. That lady's getting her workout in, man. People, I wish I lived real close to like a lake or a beach. Do some exercises.